Hi guys, Mama Mita here, and today I am making Chipotle Gouda mashed potatoes. Now this is a really quick, easy recipe.
What are the dreams that you do?
And it just goes really fast. So what you want to do is I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes, and I made them. I cut them to about the size of my thumb. And you want them all to be consistently the same size so that they cook evenly, okay? So then I cook those, and once they become fork tender, I drain them, okay? And then I'm going to take, see, they'll be like this, all right? And then I'm going to take and put my butter in there. I'm going to put 2 little things of butter, about, say, at the most, maybe 3 tablespoons. You wouldn't want more than that because, you know, the cheese is kind of fattening too. Okay, and then I'm going to take some half and half. And I'm going to mix that into the potatoes. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm putting sea salt. Okay, and then I've got my cheese over here. And what I did is I used the grater. And I just grated a little bit of the cheese. And you can see that that's the type of cheese that I'm using. I got it on sale for $2. So I thought, we're going to get that one. Oh, yep. I was at Freddy today, and boy, they had a few things on sale. I'm like, oh, yeah. We got squash, 3 really nice crooked neck squash, yellow crooked neck squash for $1. And then I got 3 bell peppers, really nice bell peppers for $1. I'm like, oh, yeah, I can stuff those. So, all right, so now I've got my cheese and I grated it up, okay? And then I'm just going to add that cheese right in there with that. Okay. And then you take your potato masher and you just mash that in with those potatoes. And you want them to be like really kind of creamy. I don't usually like them to be too stiff. And you just work it. So my husband's going to have these tonight for dinner with a piece of baked chicken. And then a little small salad. So that's what we're having tonight for dinner. What are you guys having for dinner? Well, you can have the potatoes too. They're so quick and easy to make. Okay, I think that is it. Now you see, that's how easy that was to make that. I don't even peel the potatoes. I just wash them really good, and look at that. Those look really good. This recipe here, there's nobody going to complain about that. I've never had a complaint yet on these potatoes. They're nice and smooth. There you go. Now you see how fast that was, you guys? Now, if you guys like this, you should try it. Really, I think you're going to love it. I think your family will like it. Now, if you like this recipe today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, thank you. You guys have a great day. And let me try these. Yeah, those taste really good. Very good. Okay, we'll pack those away. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye now.